Hi guys, I'm Doug. I make Canadian personal finance videos and review videos here on YouTube. And lately what I've been doing is just tracking my progress in my tax-free savings account on Wealthsimple Trade. The value of the account right now is $52,921, and all time, this is what gives me a little confidence to keep doing what I'm doing. All time, we're still up 19%, almost $8,500. Over the last year, that view, not as positive. We're negative 7%, but everybody kind of struggled in 2022. Hopefully things turn around for everyone in 2023. The last 3 months were up 2%. The last month down negative 3%. The last week kind of stayed the same, didn't move too much. And especially over the last day, it's showing 0%, but we are up almost $200. Available to trade, just $6 right now because I bought some things recently, and I'll show you those after we take a look at the dividends for the month of March. So I'm still expecting a dividend payout tomorrow or today. I don't know when I'm going to see that update in my account, but it is for March. So the total for March is $190.64, which is good. It's more than last month and definitely more than what we made last year in March of 2022, which was only $99. So it's always good to see that year-over-year growth in dividends, and the total for the year so far is $665.77. Now that we've seen the dividends, let's look back at Wealthsimple Trade and see what stocks paid the biggest dividends for the month of March. We got our monthly ones, the Real Estate Investment Trust and the ETFs, so BTB, Innovalis, Northwest Health, Smart Centers, $25.28. That's a nice big one. TNT, that's the last one that we're going to see at over $10 because they slashed their dividend by half. So that's going to be a lot less next month. EIF, which I think is that exchange income? Yeah, okay, yeah. This is some kind of financial holding company. This is not an ETF like I was thinking. Russell Metals, that is manufacturing, and I definitely want to increase my position in manufacturing just like I do with telecom and construction, trying to get away from just dumping all my money in the financial sector and in real estate. So another big ETF there is Hamilton HYLD. That's $38.22. This one's pretty controversial and a lot of people are talking about it on Reddit. It makes me a little bit afraid, so I'm not going to be buying too much more of HYLD just yet. The whole covered call thing and being able to, I like the payout ratio and everything, I'm a little worried about, and I don't quite understand it, so I'm putting that one on pause for now until I learn a bit more or read a bit more about it. Enbridge was our big payer though for the month of March with $33.73. Now, instead of just looking at the dividends, let's also look at what I bought during the month of March. Just earlier today, I bought some XEI. That's an ETF that focuses on monthly dividends. Power Corp, this is a holding company. I think they own Wealthsimple Trade, or Wealthsimple, flat out, and Great West Life. I think those are two of the big companies that they own, and they pay a nice dividend. I support Wealthsimple, and so I think being a part owner of that is great. National Bank is another one that I bought, and I did say I'm trying to get away from the financial sector, but with this scare of banking and everything, I am taking advantage, and you'll notice that I did buy some TD as well. These are the first shares of TD that I bought. I'm big into Scotiabank. I have some BMO, some CIBC, so TD is the fourth large bank. I don't have any Royal Bank, but I do have National Bank. CCA, that's Cogeco, and QBR. So I did mention that I wanted to increase my position in telecom. That's what I've been buying up a lot of in March. You'll see I bought Cogeco a few more times to really increase my position there. Some of the trades did not go through because I do limit buy, I don't do market buy. Limit buy is where you set your price. Actually, I do market buy sometimes. I just got caught in a lie with a couple of those stocks there. But I like to do limit buy because you set the price, and then if they're willing to sell for that price, you'll get it. If you don't, it doesn't go through, and either you cancel it or it expires at the end of the day. Another area that I mentioned I want to increase that diversification and get more of is Aecon. That's a construction company. people have been talking about this. There's been articles written about it on Yahoo Finance, encouraging people to buy it, saying that right now it's at a really good price. The P/E ratio is very low compared to other competitors in the construction sector. But other people are saying that the debts aren't very well covered and they see it as risky. I didn't buy too much of that. I probably will increase my position in it a little by little as each 2 weeks go by, and I contribute that $800. I don't know if I mentioned that yet in this video. Every 2 weeks with each paycheck, I put $800 in the account and buy up some stocks. Smart Centers, bought a little more of that. Russell Metals, Enbridge, HYLD, but only one share it looks like of that. FIE, Cash, which is an ETF that kind of tracks the high interest savings accounts in Canada. And right now, the yield on that is like 5%, which is fantastic. And more Cogeco and some Northwest Health. And that's it for what I bought in March. Looking back at the portfolio, I like to see the consistent deposits over the last year. That wasn't what it was like at the beginning when I started investing. I wasn't making as much money then, so I couldn't contribute, but I'm really liking the results and the encouragement, and it's really keeping me on task to make these videos. It encourages me to continue with the deposits, to keep saving, to keep investing. And yeah, I appreciate all the comments and interactions with the YouTube finance community here. It's great. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment just to say hi if you don't have anything to say about the portfolio update. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.